Hello everyone, my name is Vipin Kumar Sharma and I am doing my MSc in the field of biochemistry. So this is my second course from Biodiscovery Group of India, and I basically want to refer this course to each and every student who is in the field of research, because since I have gone through the very first uh, course on next generation sequencing, I liked it so much that I have enrolled for drug discovery and some other courses as well. So I am going to take them on time, and I wish to see more and more students on this platform because they are doing a great job. So this is my opinion about the courses.
Hello, I'm Swati Sharma from Chandigarh, Punjab. I completed my graduation in bioinformatics honors and I had drug designing subject. Now I'm pursuing MSc in molecular biology and genetic engineering from SCMS Institute of Bioscience and Biotechnology Research Institute in Cochin, Kerala. So today lecture provided enhance my knowledge and ma'am has excellent skills and the discussion was really awesome. I enjoyed full classes. The lecture was really innovative. In future, I wish to join your more courses. I am very thankful to you.
There is no discovery without risk, and what you risk reveals what you value. I am MANASA. I hail from Andhra Pradesh. I live in Vijayawada. So today was my first day and first session in Biodiscovery Lifesciences. I've attended for drug designing. Starting from the basic question to what is a drug, how drug used to come before into the market, it used to take a long time. But now the computer aided program, so-called CAD, virtual screening, molecular editing, protein optimization and energy minimization and molecular docking had a very great role in today's drug which is coming into the market. Bioinformatics can screen thousands of molecular libraries, and CAD has decreased the time and screening cost of a drug to come into the market. I'm super excited and very happy because it's very innovative. People are very much interested in research and designing a drug. This session helped me a lot to understand the basic things about what is a drug and how, like, what's the future about it, how we are going to deal with it. So, yeah, and last but not the least, I like to thank Jessica ma'am for her patience. Even for our silly questions, she responded well. And thank you, ma'am, for sharing your precise knowledge with us. Hope I see you soon in our next session too. And I'm eagerly waiting for my next session. Thank you.
Hi everybody, this is Meenakshi, pursuing my fourth year B.Tech Biotechnology in Karunya Institution, Technology and Sciences, Coimbatore. Recently, I have attended an online section. It's about drug delivery design. It was very useful for me. Like I should thank Biodiscovery Group who gave me a wonderful opportunity to attend this online course. Like it is very useful for me. Although it is a new area, I can able to understand a new concept which is related to molecular biology. So I have experienced a great concepts in this course, and thank you everyone.
Hi, I am Prabharan from Dindigul in Tamil Nadu. I am doing PhD in Bioinformatics, Periyar EVR College Autonomous Tiruchirappalli. Today I attend one day 2-hour online course, Drug Discovery and Designing. Course instructor name is Jessica. From this course, I learned biological target, Lickins tools, toxicity risks, and various computer-aided drug designing tools. Totally, the course was very useful for my PhD research. Thank you, Jessica ma'am, and thank you, Biodiscovery Group, for providing opportunity. Thank you so much.
Hi, myself AJINKYA MAHAJAN, and I have attended a workshop on drug designing on 28th of July 2019. It was a quite informative session for me, and I have got to know various knowledge about the computer aided design and various aspects of protein synthesis and various other parameters. And I expect to see for the various more workshops like this, and I'd like to attend them. Thank you.
Hello, I am MANISHA from Rohtak, Haryana. I am pursuing my PhD. I have attended your one-day course of 2 hours on workshop on drug designing and discovery. The lecture was very knowledgeable and motivational towards drug designing. Thank you so much.
I am Ranjita Savi. I attended the drug discovery and design chat session on Sunday. The session was very useful and informative. It will be very helpful if you provide the PPT of the same.